Today we will be taking a closer look at the social media fitness app called MyFitnessPal. We will be examining the app's purpose and target audience, as well as cautionary factors to look out for when using the app. MyFitnessPal is intended for all ages wanting to manage and organize their fitness and health goals. The app allows users to create a personalized fitness plan to help them lose, gain, or maintain their weight through diet and exercise. The app allows users to track calories, nutrients, and vitamins. There are numerous options for users to connect with others through community forums as well. The MyFitnessPal app allows users to find and follow the fitness journey of other users. Community forums are available for users to discuss exercise and diet-related topics through public conversations. One of the main things to be aware of when using the app are the open privacy settings. Upon downloading the app and creating an account, a user's privacy settings are automatically set to public. Therefore, anything that user logs in on their personal account can be viewed by the public using the app as well. Therefore, the user must manually go to their privacy settings to change their sharing preferences. In addition to basic diet and exercise tracking, the MyFitnessPal app allows users to participate in fitness competitions with their online friends, such as who can take the most steps within a day. Users can also upload and save their favorite recipes to save for later. The app offers users the ability to create and customize their favorite fitness goals depending on their own preferences. The MyFitnessPal app is free to download and use for anyone looking to manage or set their fitness goals. Thank you.